Hello everybody, this is Vinayak from Works for Lifetime, and in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate you about symbolic links in Linux. First of all, let me tell you about symbolic links. These are example of shortcuts which are used in Linux to navigate files from one place to another by using shortcuts. Let's get started about symbolic links. Before starting our tutorial on symbolic links, we should remember some basic commands which are required for performing these symbolic links. Some of the commands are cd, ls, pwd, touch, mkdir, and rm. Moving ahead, we will see the first command in starting symlink or symbolic link. The syntax for symbolic link is ln space hyphen s space the target where the origin directory is placed and the link name, which is also referred as the shortcut. To create a symbolic link or symlink to a file, we will first navigate to the directory. To navigate to a directory, we will go to our terminal and type cd space /user. You can do this command for any another directory. I'm going to do this command for the user directory. In my user directory, I'm having a file named originalfile.txt. If you are not having the same file, you can create one by typing touch space test underscore file dot txt. You can name it anything else also. Now we will copy the command present in our blog, that is ln space hyphen s space original file underscore txt and our link. We already have the file name with us, so we will just replace the file name from original file to test underscore file. We will now press enter and our symbolic link to the test file is created, which is linked to shortcut.txt. Moving ahead, we will see the second example, which is about creating a symbolic link to directory. For creating a symbolic link to a specified directory, we will use the command ln space hyphen s space the directory or the origin and our target directory. We will copy the command, go back to our terminal and paste it. This command will create a symbolic link for projects folder in our user directory to a projects underscore link file or shortcut in the www directory on var folder. There are two types of paths used with symbolic links: absolute paths and relative path. Absolute paths refer to the current position in the directory of file, while relative paths are expressed with the current location, which is relative. For example, if we are having our file in the user directory under home, it will be moved with symbolic link even after the relative path is broken. Coming up next, we will see common use cases of symbolic links. We can use symbolic link for configuring our web servers, the configuration files for Nginx or Apache, managing shortcut files, which are also called dot files, present in our home directory, and simplifying software installations. For example, we are installing cPanel. We can execute it by creating a symbolic link to the installation file in our directory. If we have a directory which is present on an external drive, such as mount slash external drive, and we want to create a symbolic link shortcut to that directory, we will copy the command ln space hyphen s space forward slash mount forward slash external underscore drive. The external underscore drive shall be replaced with the name of directory present in the external disk. After this, we will create a symbolic link with whatever name we want. In our example, we will use external underscore files. Go to our terminal, paste the command, and hit enter. A symbolic link is created for external drive to our home directory named external underscore files. Coming up next, we will see the differences between hard links and symbolic links in a Linux server. Symbolic links are present only until the source is modified. This means if the files present at the source directory are tampered with or renamed or let's say moved, the symbolic link will be corrupted and will no longer be of any use. However, hard links are linked to the inode value of the file. This means even if we change the directory or name or perform any changes to the source file, the linking will still be there. Coming up next, we will see how to remove or modify a symbolic link. To modify a symbolic link, we will first remove the symbolic link by visiting our terminal and using the command rm space the name of our symbolic link. In this example, we will do it with shortcut.txt and hit enter. Next, we have to create a new symbolic link, which is part of modification. In our blog, we have shown you that you can create the symbolic link for the existing symlink which was removed. We will do ln space hyphen s space forward slash mnt slash external underscore drive to our new target, that is shortcut.txt, and hit enter. Our symbolic link is now modified. If we want to remove a symbolic link or symlink safely, we will only type in rm space name of our symbolic link. So again, we will do shortcut.txt and hit enter. The symbolic link is removed safely from our system now. To prevent broken links while using symbolic links, we have to type xtype space L. This will prevent the breaking of symbolic links. Coming up, we will see how to check for broken links which are linked using symbolic links in our Linux machine. To do that, we will go back to our terminal and use the find command. To find the symbolic links, we will type find space the directory which we want to search for symbolic links. In our scenario, we will use the forward slash home directory space, define the type of search which we are going to do. We will do that by doing hyphen xtype space the links which we can denote by letter L and press enter. This will show all of the symbolic links present in home directory on our Linux machine. We can see some common error messages such as no such file or directory while accessing a symbolic link. This is due to the fact that the target file is removed or deleted. It can also be renamed or been modified in any way possible. If we see a permission denied error, it is because we are not having sufficient permissions assigned in our user for accessing the directory or file. To fix that, we can use chmod commands or we can add a user to the groups. We have guides for adding the permissions using chmod command or to add user to a Linux group on our blog, which is present at works4.com. Coming up, we will see how to create a bash script for symbolic links in our Linux machine. To create a symbolic link or symlink using shell script of bash, we can create a file using the nano command. We'll go into our terminal, type in nano space sym.sh and hit enter. We will go ahead and copy the bash script present in our blog and paste it in our terminal. This bash configuration will now be saved by using Ctrl X, then hit Y and enter. The above shown bash script is used to check if any links are existing on a specified directory or to remove them and recreate for a consistent setup. We will go back to our terminal and make this bash script executable. To make this file executable, we will type chmod space plus x space sym.sh and hit enter. Our file is now a executable file. That was all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial regarding symbolic links. If you loved the video, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and subscribe to channel Works for Lifetime. Also, if you are looking for any dedicated servers, lifetime hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress or WooCommerce hosting, cPanel licenses or direct admin licenses, or you are having any web development or WordPress development work or any issues which you are having on your website that needs fixing, or you need any assistance regarding cybersecurity works, you can connect with us. We also offer you with DDoS protection servers, which will help you in case you are experiencing DDoS attacks on your current servers. We are also open to work with you on any type of project which you are having. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.